Good morning students. Today we are going to perform experiment of negative feedback amplifier. So this is practical number 14 of applied electronics. So here we are going to see about the voltage series feedback topology over here. So this is the circuit diagram of negative feedback amplifier. So this is a voltage series feedback topology. Now this is transistor BC547. Here our BC547 transistor we have used here. So then R1 and R2 resistors are used to form the voltage divider bias for biasing purpose. This is 33 kilo ohm resistor. R1 is of 33 and R2 is of 3.3. RC resistor is of 1.5 and this is RC is of 1.5 kilo ohm, and above RC there is a one more resistor, is feedback resistor of 100 ohm. This is RD resistor 330 ohm, C of 10 microfarad, and these two are the coupling capacitors of 1 microfarad. And input and output coupling capacitor is of 1 microfarad, it which load 1 kilo ohm. Now we are providing 12 volt VCC to this circuit. Here VCC is of 12 volt. Now we'll go to the actual practical setup of this experiment. So from here we'll give the input signal to the base of the transistor. So this is the function generator, and these are the component resources required for this experiment: cathode ray oscilloscope, regulated DC power supply, signal generator, transistor of BC548 we have used, resistors we have used this specification, and then we have used this specification of capacitor. Now we have already calculated the input voltage, output voltage, and output voltage with feedback and output voltage without feedback. And again we have calculated, after getting the input voltage and output voltage, we have already calculated the gain denoted by V naught upon V in. Okay, and the value we have received as 4.5. Input voltage we have got 40 millivolt, and there is here we have shown you how to calculate the gain, that is 80 millivolt, that is output voltage upon input voltage which we have received. Now we'll see the actual practical setup. So this is a power supply where we have given 12 volt of VCC supply. So these two are this is the resistors R1 and R2. Middle one is transistor, is RC resistor. Okay, RC resistor over here, and this is capacitor RC, capacitor, coupling capacitor, output capacitor, and this is RD resistor, and above this there is a RF resistor. Then and we have taken the input from the function generator, and the input is given as, and the output I have also given an output, we have to take it from the CRO over here. Okay, so this is 12 volt VCC supply we have given here. Now after connecting the input signal, where we have connected the input signal to the your function generator, we have given it to the function generator, where we have put the input frequency as 1 kilohertz. It is 1 kilohertz, and the input voltage is given as, it is 4 into 10, that is 40 millivolt, and output is 3.3 into 50 millivolt, that will become 150 millivolt. That will become 150 millivolt, which I have already calculated and shown you in the observation table. So write down the input voltage as 40 millivolt and output voltage as 150 millivolt, and depending on that we have to calculate the voltage gain, and voltage gain will be calculated as